Do you need to resize your project without Pro account? Follow these steps. Click File, then select Create New Design. Then select the new size you want to create. Then go back to your first canvas. Press Ctrl-A, then Ctrl-C and to copy your original design to this new canvas. Then go to the new project, then press Ctrl-V to paste all the elements you copied. Press Ctrl-A to resize all the elements at the same time. Or you could just click one element at a time to adjust it one by one. If this was helpful, make sure to follow for more tutorials and tips. Click and subscribe to my Joyful Art channel. Thank you.